Man, I fixed one problem and I get another one. First it was a fucking starter. And you know what? I like my car. So you know what? I went to go use it. Of course I accelerated it. But guess what the fuck happened? When I got back home, when I parked the car, it fucking started leaking the intercooler. A man can't even go to fucking McDonald's for some fries without his car having the fucking problem. It poured out all the intercooler. So now, I gotta replace the intercooler tank. So basically it was leaking from like right, that little crack right there. So yeah, it's kind of open, to be honest. It looks a little open. So yeah, it was leaking through right there. So I'm gonna have to possibly buy another can. Hopefully not, but we'll see. So basically it has a leak or crack right there where I was marking earlier. So what I'm gonna do is get a new tank reservoir for the intercooler. Hopefully it gets here fast so I can fix it fast. But I'm gonna have to pump out all the water with a hand pump. And as 1, 2, 3 bolts. I think it's like 3 bolts. Or just those two. As this hose. You pull on the little clip. And then it has a hose down there. Focus it. That hose down there, and it has a clip too. So basically what happened was that the intercooler, the engine was getting really hot. So a little chemistry, when something gets hot it expands. So I guess it expanded in there and the tank couldn't hold it, the reservoir couldn't hold it. So it splashed everywhere. But we'll fix this. So I already got the coolant reservoir. I went to go buy it. So right now I just want to go get some tacos. So I'm gonna let the coolant cool off a little bit, just see if there's any left, so I can like reuse it. Because it's like brand new. We put it on Friday, which was when we were replacing the starter. So I'm gonna go eat me some fucking tacos and come back down in like an hour and pump out the intercooler in there and change the part. So right here we got set up the pump. Got the auto swim for like 14 bucks I think. With the top part of the pump into the intercooler and the bottom part of the pump to where I'm gonna save the intercooler, my plastic water bottles. So let's give it a go. Apparently it's backwards. Okay, so the way I had it on first was right. As you can see, I'm gonna start pumping soon. We have the bottom end of the hose into the bottom, top end of the hose into the intercooler. And as you can see, it has to be backwards so you can fully pump, unless it won't like really pump. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Right here we had a little clip. I used a flathead to get it off. And then the bottom, there was another one. It was kind of hard to get, but I ended up just putting my hand, took it over here, and managed to get it out. And then we had the sensor connected. You can put your hand on it. It's down there, that one. and all you have to do is just pinch this little thing, and it would come off, and you pull backwards. It has two 10mm bolts. So yeah. Oh, and I took out one of the solenoids just so I could get more space to take this hose out, because it gave a lot of struggle. But what I did, it was like stuck there. What I did was I got this flathead, and then I ended up pushing it from up under here, lifted it up a little bit, and I pushed it outwards, and it seemed to work. And it leaked some coolant, but it should be okay. There's no wires under there that would get damaged. So yeah, got the new reservoir here. Gonna connect the sensor first. The sensor in, and a little hole. This thing goes into the hole, and I'm gonna connect the big hose.
Pero el plan está que nos miraban que andamos con balas que eran el ambiente y llegaron dos carros. Ya cambiaron las cosas. Un carro un lado, un carro otro lado.
Make sure you push all the way in. And you can press the clip in. And it should be safe. And then top post. So I'll get the solenoid back on. Remove two hoses. There's one hose. Another hoses. Then the 10mm. And fill it back up. Alright, I got the absorber on, so now I'm going to fill it up with the intercooler that I recycled. And if there's not enough, then I'll put this one right here. So, somebody's bad boy. It has to be 50-50. So yeah. Alright, we got all the caps off, so let's get to pouring. So I finished pouring in all the recycled bottles. There's like 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them in total, and it's almost full, or to the level it has to be on. So I'm just gonna finish it off with this Priestone over here. It's the same one. It's just that one was recycled. So yeah. And the other measuring has a tool where it says like minimum max. You're gonna should minimum max should lay like a little bit out the cap, and so yeah, those two little like egg shapes that do line in between the outside cap. So like the outside cap. So yeah, I'm gonna fill it up with the rest of the antifreeze, and then leave my car running for a little bit to see if this one has any leaks. As you can see, as I was saying, two little max and min, max on top, min on bottom, sticking out a little bit from the cap. So I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit because I spilled since I don't have one of those funnels. So yeah, so right now just gonna leave the car running for a little bit, and so yeah, we're done here. The oil a little hot, the engine a little hot, so I'm gonna go check it right now. And my car's kind of low on oil, so I might have to go buy some oil and put some on. So let's go check if it's leaking. Alright, so far we got no leaks. Got no leaks. No leaks on there. No leaks there. Sensor looks good. But I think my next problem is this fan. See, sometimes it works and sometimes it's just off. Like it was just off and now it's working. And sometimes it's working, but it's not at its full power. Right now, I think it's at its full power. Now it can go faster. So if you know anything like that could be wrong with that, can you let me know in the comments or something? Look, I think it's coming to a stop right now. Yeah, it's slowing down. See how slow it is? It should be like 10 times faster. Look, it just comes to a stop. So if you know of any, you know what the problem is, can you let me know in the comments? Thank you.